Alright, let's see if this beach will crank up. Come on, girl. Woo! There she is. Probably can't hear it because got the stock exhaust and stock intake on it for now. Pulled up next to me with some like big lifted truck and he was trying to tell me to do a wheelie. I'm like, I was just thinking to myself, I was like, I wonder if he thinks this is a Grom or something. I guess because the Navi looks a lot like the Grom, I guess. But it's like, I'm not going to do a wheelie on a fucking Navi. Like, I've seen some dudes do wheelies on Navis, but they have the stock suspension still on it. But yeah, that's not going to happen. I wonder if this microphone's still working pretty good. I think I found a good spot for it under my chin strap. And if you guys are wondering what microphone I'm using, with what camera, I'm using the Insta360 X3 camera with a MOVO wireless mic. Oh shit, don't pull out in front of me there. Woo. See, sometimes you gotta honk that horn, let them know. Thank you, Psycher Cruise. See, this is why I like watching your shit, because stuff like that is a good tip. And, you know, I used your advice, and right there on camera, you can see, you know, it worked. So thanks. Oh, look, a biker. Sick. But, yeah, there's so many sport bikes. Sport bikes and dual sports around here is ridiculous. Especially dual sport. But yeah, back to the microphone. Hopefully it's working pretty well. I had to do some ghetto rigging on the microphone thing because it kept spinning around, and if it's not aligned properly with the camera, it'll show up in the camera. So the way I have it set up is I have it taped so it won't move, so it won't spin around. Sometimes with the wind and hit a little bump, it'll spin and then it'll show up on the camera. But I think I figured out a way to hold it still. I might have to redo it every so often, but oh well. That's a cheap, easy fix. But the microphone itself, I think regular price is about $50. I got it for, I want to say it was like $35 when it went on sale. But got it off of Amazon, so, and it has really good reviews. A lot of regular motovloggers use it. With the Insta360 cameras and DSLR or something, whatever. I don't know what the fuck whatever they call them, those fucking fancy cameras. But oh man, I'm cold. I'm sorry. Shit. Ooh, I'm cold. I'm gonna take this road actually. Carly Road, man. That was the name of my FZ07. I named her Carly after Carly Shimkus. She's beautiful. Oh shit. Damn, these fucking train tracks are huge. Okay. Whew. But I name all my bikes. This is Lily, by the way. Lily's a Honda Navi 109cc automatic 4-stroke. But she's an awesome little thing for cruising around. Oh shit, this might be something sketchy. Whew, alright, made it. Well, this is crazy. Oh, shit. Oh. Holy crap. Alright, this is a pretty steep hill, and this is a stock Honda Navi, and it's going up at no problem. I'm doing 35 and it's probably, I don't know, half throttle or so not bad. The stock Honda Navi can handle the mountains, no problemo, at least for around 3,500 feet or so elevation. And freezing outside. Temperature's definitely dropping. I'm literally like shaking. But I'm still riding. Because the next like 4 days is going to be fucking raining. So I'm trying not to cuss, but I keep doing that. Damn it. But anyways, oh, a dual sport. What we got here? 250? Was it 450? 250? I don't know. Another YouTuber, Life of Birch. I like watching his stuff because he's a pretty interesting guy. He used to have FZ07 like me. He has a dual sport, the new CRF 150Ls or something. And he has a Honda Navi just like me. And he has a Honda Rebel, I think it was, and a Honda Scrambler, I think. And I sat on the Scrambler 500 or whatever it's called. And it's alright, it's not bad. I actually like the way the seating position is really comfortable. I thought about it because I love Scramblers. I really wanted the Ducati Scrambler, but I don't know. I had a Ducati in the past, and man, I don't know. I'm scared of maintenance and problems and shit. I don't know. I don't want to do that again. Honda though, I'd consider it. I'd do that. But anyways, back to this guy with the Life of Birch guy. He just bought this e-bike on his latest video. The Talara Triple X or something. I think it's pretty sweet. I was looking into it. It's only $3,000, so it's like 2,000 less than a TW. Weighs like 100 pounds less than a Grom or some shit. It goes like 50 miles an hour, which is, it's a little, not too bad, I guess. It's about the same as the Navi. But I was like, man, that'd be so much fun around here, especially since it's so quiet and stealthy. And the suspension, you can like jump things, and I don't know, it got me really thinking about it. Damn, that lady just slapped the dog in the face. What the fuck? That's crazy. Why would she slap the dog just for barking at me? It's fucked up. Anyways, I wonder if that came on camera. She's got a whole bunch of dogs in that thing. Ooh, fuck, it's getting cold out. Oh, shit, it's cold. Alright, high speed run, ready? I am going 45. 45 up a hill, not too bad. I'm almost at 50. Oh shit, I gotta slow down. Oh, fucking freezing, holy shit. Oh, it's cold. Oh shit, it's cold. I'm out in the country, folks. Hell yeah. Woo, shit. Oh man. So, a couple days ago, there's a dude somewhere around in this area with the dirt bike popping wheelies. I was like, oh hell yeah. Like, it made me feel so good. Like, I realized I wasn't the only weirdo that likes doing wheelies. So yeah, that made me happy. I was like, sweet. But I don't know exactly where he lives, but I just know the general area. He was up here somewhere on the right. Oh fuck, it's cold. Shit, I'm freezing. Just another update for the channel. I don't know, I stopped doing that whole like the outro thing with my logo and everything. I'm just not doing that anymore. I got so sick and tired watching YouTubers with that whole like, oh, please subscribe, please like, please do this and that. Like, I never did that anyways. Like, I just played that little like outro thing about it. But it just drives me nuts. Like, I hate when people like beg for subscribers and shit. It just drives me insane. Going up and up and up and up, climbing up this mountain. Figured I would let you guys know this is how I'm going to end my videos from now on. I'm just not doing that anymore. I'm not doing the outro thing. But, alright guys, well, have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully next time I'll have some mods done to this thing. I've only done like the suspension and the rear tire. But, I guess this is it for me today. And then for about the rest of this week, because it's going to be raining. So, that's something. Damn. Look how high up I am. I don't know if you can see, but this is really, really high up. But, alright guys. Later.